Okay guys, welcome back. And guys, if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm gonna make carrot juice with beet. You can have it with lime or you can have it with milk. But today I'm gonna have it with milk and lime. I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna separate it in two because my sister doesn't love milk. So I'm gonna do half in milk and half in with lime and a little sugar or honey. So these are my beets. I have 3 beets here and I have 3 pounds of carrot here. I already cut up some carrots and some beets in this. So I'm gonna start blending. Okay guys, so I'm finished blending my beets. So I'm gonna strain my beets now. And I'm gonna do the carrots after. Switch. Okay so guys, so I'm gonna add my carrots. I'm gonna do the carrots in 2 different batch. This is like 3 pounds of carrot. So I don't want to do it in one, so I'm going to do it in half and half. Add some more water. And guys, you can make it even with ginger. Maybe the next time I make carrot juice, I'm going to do it with ginger. Ginger and lemon. Maybe the next time I do that. Okay guys, so the carrot is blending, soon finish, and I'm gonna strain out that side and put in the last set, okay? And see I strained my beetroot over here, so I'm gonna add the carrot juice to the beetroot juice after and sweeten it. See how rich it is guys, look, it's very rich and nice. And this juice is very good for your pressure. You don't have to put milk inside. You can just sweeten with lime or honey, or you can blend it with ginger. The next one I'm gonna make it with ginger, so you could see. Okay guys, you can just drink it straight like that. You don't have to sweeten it. You can drink it just like that. Maybe I'm gonna have a glass of it just like that. After I'm gonna have a glass before I sweeten it. Okay guys, I'm gonna put in my last set of carrots. I'm just adding some water. And guys, the beetroot juice is very, very sweet without milk and sugar. Maybe I'm gonna drink mine without no milk and no sugar. It's only what I'm giving away I'm gonna sweeten. Okay, so I'm gonna start blending again. So okay guys, now I'm finished blending. I'm gonna strain out my last set of juice. I'm gonna squeeze out the juice. Maybe the next time I'm gonna do the same carrot juice, but I'm gonna do it in a different fashion. I'm not gonna blend it out. I'm not gonna strain it this time. You're gonna get everything to eat the next time. Okay guys, now I'm finished. I'm gonna give it a second strain just to make sure I don't have anything inside. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave it at that. I have a little bit more in the pan, but I'm gonna strain it with something else. So I'm gonna sweeten that, guys, and then I'll get right back to you. Okay guys, we're gonna sweeten our beets and carrot juice now. So I'm gonna drop a little vanilla, maybe a teaspoon, and I have my nutmeg here. I'm gonna add my nutmeg. I just grated it off camera. And I'm gonna put my milk. I cleaned the top already. I washed the top already. So I'm gonna sweeten my juice. Ooh. And guys, as I said, you don't have to put milk. You can put honey, or you could put lemon or lime. And you can drink it like that, because I just have a glass before I put the milk inside, and it was very good without nothing inside. So guys, I'm not making it too sweet. I'm just gonna leave it like this. So guys, this is my finished product. I wish you were here to have a glass with me. So this is my drink. Okay guys, so guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and please comment, please. Send me a note. Tell me you watched the video and how nice it was, or if you tried, you let me know your result. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Walk good.